Hydraulic quick-release couplers are wide in demand in all type of industrial demands as they give instant connection, disconnection when required, with hardly any leakage or wastage. Pictures show various type of coupling, so you can choose right coupler according to pressure, temperature, size, and media. Techno Industrial Products offers ISO 16028 flat-type couplers from 1/4 inch to 1 inch BSP. These couplers are widely preferred due to their flat-type check valves, which make it leak-proof and easy to maintain. Picture shows working of the coupler. These couplers are widely used in high-quality demanding machines, general lifting machines, heavy-duty lifters, and much more you can think of. These couplers have double check valves so fluid does not come out when couplers are disconnected. And to connect it, just push the sleeve and couplers are ready to serve you, and flat base gives user more comfort while using. All the couplers are randomly tested to the pressure they can take, which is also shown in chart for your convenience.